Ric Breeze. Ric Breeze, are you again? Me sure some talk to you since week. Are you forward again? Eh? You are me tell say you are reggae can't stop bounty killer, you know. Eh? You come and put up video nung about bounty killer twerk on stage. What wrong with you, Ric Breeze? What wrong with you? Eh? If you have a Batman business, you keep it to yourself, man. You understand? If you are Mr. Reggae a twerk, you keep it to yourself, youth. You come and talk about man a twerk on stage. Eh? You love forward, come point out thing too much. You understand? I watch a stage show and it was a great stage show. And you come and talk about man a twerk on stage and woman say this and woman say that. Eh? Any little thing you don't feel like you can use to try tarnish bounty killer name, it will not try. You're a little what should I call it now? You're a little platform too small, youth, for bring down the big giant bounty killer. So I'm going to tell you, say I waste of time, Ric Breeze. So you better go sit down one side. You understand? Fisherman talk about fish, you see me? You understand? So, if I that you do, you keep it to yourself, yo. You come like you and the brother, they apart too much. You understand? You get the wrong idea, brother. You get the wrong idea and the wrong concept. You understand? Mr. Ray gets apart too much. So you come like you might rub off certain things for you. You come like you might show out some fish scale or them thing there for you, youth. Go sit on one side and relax yourself, man. Go find yourself in a corner, youth. You see me? I go deep in a, go swim deep in the ocean. Because I'm an ocean creature and I'm a sea creature, you see me? And that's why I'm not come and try and mix up the general now, no nastiness, you see me? But now come over the side with it, yeah? Just skip it over the side, you see? Don't fall over here so with the dirtiness. You and Reggae go and keep on the nastiness over there, you see me? Yeah, man.